If you've been seeing those animal skeleton education videos and wondering how people are making them, let me break it down in a simple way. Recently, I noticed a small channel posting X-ray style animal videos. The crazy part? They uploaded only around a dozen videos and gained nearly 50,000 subscribers in just over a week. That's the power of a unique idea combined with AI tools. Today, I'll show you how you can create the same type of videos using completely free tools. First, open ChatGPT. Go to the Explore GPTs section and search for something called X-ray Animal Reference. Open it and start a chat. Now, type the name of the animal you want to use. For example, just type cat. It will generate 4 detailed image prompts for you. These prompts are important because they help you create consistent skeleton-style reference images. Now, copy the first full prompt carefully. After that, go to Grok AI and open the text-to-image feature. Paste the prompt into the box and hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a blue background X-ray skeleton image of the cat. Download the one you like most. Do the same with the remaining prompts. This way, you'll get different angles like front and side views. Save all of them. These images will act as your base references, and you can reuse them in future videos too. Now, let's create proper scenes with backgrounds. Go back to ChatGPT and again open Explore GPTs. This time, search for animal X-ray shots. Start a new chat and clearly type your idea. For example, cat eating a burger. It will give you detailed scene prompts with background details, actions, and even camera angles. Next, return to Grok AI. Upload one of the skeleton reference images you downloaded earlier, depending on which angle you need. Then, copy the first full scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI's prompt box. Click Generate. Now you'll get a complete scene with background and your X-ray animal inside it. Download the image. Repeat this process for all the remaining scene prompts until you have every scene ready. Once your images are done, it's time to turn them into videos. Decide your concept clearly. For example, what happens if a cat eats only burgers? Open Grok AI's image to video feature. Upload your first scene image. In the motion description box, write something simple like, "The cat curiously smells the burger and slowly takes a bite." Generate and download the clip. For the second scene, upload the next image and describe more aggressive eating. For the third scene, show the cat gaining weight and looking less energetic. For the fourth, describe the cat becoming heavier, slower, and unhappy. For the final scene, show extreme weight gain with a dramatic ending. After generating all the clips, you're ready for the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 5-scene narration. Each scene should be about 5 to 6 seconds long, explaining month by month what happens if a dog eats only burgers for life. Month 1 should show curiosity. Month 2 should show obsession. Month 3 should show weight gain. Month 4 should show poor health and sadness. Month 5 should end dramatically. Copy the script. Go to any free text-to-speech website, paste the script, choose a voice you like, and generate the audio. Download it. Now open your video editing software. Set the ratio to 9:16 for shorts or reels. Import your clips in order. Add the voiceover. Match each scene with its month narration. Trim where needed and mute the original video sound so the voiceover is clear. And that's it. Your video is ready to post. For more such tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.